Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very fun day because we are doing a ton. Cleaning, of course, but I am also starting the painting in the nursery. My brother is coming over this weekend to help with the mural that I want to do in there. So I'm going to get some painting done, some cleaning done. This is literally going to be the best motivation you can get to get a bunch of stuff done in your house. Just homemaking at its best. So if you guys are ready, let's get into this.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time?
So I'm actually starting in the bedroom because I had to get a bunch of laundry done, and one of the things on my list was getting the sheets washed, so I figured start in here right away. I always love starting in the bedroom anyway because that way if I just need some time to get away, I have my little safe space that I can go and relax. And I just relax easier in a clean space. So that's why I always make sure the master bedroom, if anything isn't done in the house, at least my bed is made.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Yeah. I haven't seen you in a while. I never thought you'd be so wild. But things are moving way too fast. Why don't we slow down? Yeah. Moving just like we used to. Baby, it's time to let loose now. Step back, deep breaths now before things get out of control. I hope you really like me. I want it to be you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. You always been on my mind ever since I left your side. Yeah, I regret it oh so much. I hope you forgive me, yeah. Don't even care what they saying. We got this bond, so let's face it. Looking different now, so maybe this time things will work. you and me. I wanna give it all to you. I can show you if you stick around, yeah. All I need is one night to change your mind. Wait until the morning before you get out of here, yeah. Baby, we need more time, yeah. More time to change our lives, yeah. We could be the greatest if you just give us a chance, yeah. Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, one time? Can we just stop fighting one time, yeah, and have a good life?
And then when I was done upstairs, I just came downstairs to start a load of laundry right away. Sorry about the awkward coloring. I don't know what happened, but the camera did not like this room this day. It was very orange, just weird. But just wanted to get the laundry started. Like I said, I had gotten kind of behind on the laundry. I also really need to do another cleanup of my laundry room. If you're new to my channel, I've said this before, but my laundry room is definitely like my dump zone. It's somewhere that is very easy for me to just close the door and walk away. So I try and stay on top of tackling it at least once a month so it doesn't get crazy, but it is definitely my dirty little secret. But then we moved into baby girl's room. I am doing this wall over here just a fresh clean white because, like I said, I'm doing a mural on this wall, and this was the boys' room. And as you can see, this wall was just dirty from the kids. This is the original paint from the builders, so it's a flat paint, which made it where it was impossible to clean. So I just wanted to go over it, one, with a semi-gloss that I could clean better, and two, just something to have it looking clean. And that way when my brother comes over, we can do everything else and start on this mural. He is an amazing drawer, so I'm gonna have him come and help sketch out what I want to paint on the wall, and just kind of assist me. I told him I think I'm a little too close to the project and I'm having a hard time envisioning exactly what I want to do, and having some fresh eyes I think will help.
What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
So I'll say it right away because I know you guys are going to ask. So the color we decided with is Madagascar pink. I went with this because I felt like it was a more grown-up pink, which I know you're going to laugh at. A lot of people are going to be pink grown-up, but yes, it's more of a dusty mauve-y pink than like a bright bubblegum pink or baby pink. And that's what I wanted. That way it could kind of grow with her. It actually shows up a lot brighter on camera. So don't mind that. The camera sometimes plays tricks, but it's definitely more of a dusty mauve, and I love this color. Like, literally saw this color and was like, when I get an office of my own, I could totally see doing an accent wall in this color. And I really wanted the walls and the mural to be the main attraction of this room. So I don't mind going with something a little bit louder because we're going to do fresh, clean white curtains. I'm actually thinking of doing white bedding and just let the walls and the mural really do the talking in this nursery.
Anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your
I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Oh yeah, I'm looking for your attention. Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
So I ended up working on this all the way into the night, so I did not get as much done this day as originally planned. I really wanted to get into the boys' room and clean that up. I try and go in there about once a week and assist them. So this is actually the next day, me going in and helping them out. I'm thinking in my next video, possibly Monday, but maybe next Friday, I'm going to share the mural on the wall in the nursery. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you subscribe and hit that notification bell. It's really just going to depend on if my brother can make it over on Saturday or not. If he can, we should be able to bust it out and I can share it with you guys on Monday.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but God, I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now.
Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join me and my family here on YouTube. And for all my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate all your support and kind words. And make sure you have those notification bells clicked if you want to see this nursery take transformation. But until next time, bye!
Every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I.